What is a trust instrument, and how does it define trustee duties? Imagine you're setting up a system to manage your assets and ensure your wishes are followed. That's what a trust instrument is all about. It's a legal document that creates a trust, which is a special arrangement where one person, called the trustee, holds and manages property for someone else, the beneficiary. The trust instrument is the blueprint that guides how everything works. It's usually prepared by the person creating the trust, known as the settlor, grantor, or trustor. This document spells out the rules for how the trust will operate, who benefits, and what powers and responsibilities the trustee has. The trust instrument clearly identifies the key players: the settlor, the trustee, and the beneficiary. The settlor is the person who transfers assets into the trust. The trustee is responsible for managing those assets. The beneficiary is the person or group who will receive benefits from the trust, either now or later. To be legally valid, the trust instrument must include some basic elements. It needs a clear statement of intent to create a trust, a description of the trust property, the names of the beneficiaries, and a detailed list of the trustee's duties. The settlor signs the document, and in many places, witnesses are required. This document can be changed or revoked if it's a revocable trust. But if it's an irrevocable trust, it can't be altered once it's set up. The trust instrument is where the trustee's duties are outlined in detail. These duties are both legal and practical. They include managing the trust property carefully, acting only in the best interest of the beneficiaries, keeping accurate records, and providing regular accountings to the beneficiaries. The trustee must follow the instructions in the trust exactly, unless those instructions are illegal or impossible to carry out. The trust instrument also grants the trustee specific powers. For example, the trustee might be allowed to invest trust assets, make distributions to beneficiaries, hire professionals like accountants or lawyers, or sell property. These powers are limited by what's written in the trust and by state law. If the trustee acts outside these boundaries, they could be held personally responsible for any losses. In estate planning and elder law, the trust instrument plays a vital role. It helps make sure assets are managed according to the person's wishes, especially if they become unable to handle their own affairs. For example, a revocable living trust can provide smooth management of assets during someone's lifetime and after they pass away, avoiding the need for court-supervised probate. The trust can also include provisions for successor trustees, so someone else can step in if the original trustee can't serve. Trust instruments are often used to address specific family needs, like caring for a child with special needs, protecting assets from creditors, or reducing estate taxes. They are flexible and can be tailored to fit individual goals. From an elder law perspective, the trust instrument is more than just a set of instructions. It's a safeguard that ensures the person's wishes are followed and that the trustee knows exactly what to do. Properly drafted, it can prevent disputes, protect vulnerable beneficiaries, and give peace of mind that the estate will be handled as intended. Creating a trust instrument requires careful thought and understanding of what the settlor wants to achieve. Working with an experienced estate planning attorney can help make sure the document meets all legal standards and truly reflects the person's goals. Once the trust is in place, the trustee must administer it faithfully, always keeping the beneficiaries' best interests in mind. The trust instrument is the foundation that guides all of this, clearly defining what the trustee must do, how they should do it, and for whom. When it's written well, it helps ensure the trust's purpose is fulfilled and the settlor's wishes are honored.